All right, what can parents do to keep their kids safe? Joining us right now, a baby-proofing expert.
He owns Baby Proofer New York, Tom Trainer. Thanks so much for being here, Tom.
Thanks
So, you know, I always use these things for my kids. I don't know if it was this particular one, but I could never get them out of the socket once I put them in. What's the problem with this one?
Well, this is a common problem that we've seen over the years. Is not only are kids able to remove these from outlets, in some cases of older outlet receptors, but parents also remove these, or caregivers will remove them from the outlet, put them on the windowsill, rest them on the floor, and plug something into the outlet, and then the child comes by and picks it up and chokes on it.
Oh, gee. Okay, yeah, we got to be careful with that. So what is your suggestion?
Well, there's a couple of different products that I just want to talk to you about.
Okay.
And the first one is the sliding outlet safety plate. This replaces the outlet plate altogether.
Oh.
And this is a sliding outlet safety plate.
Hold it up. Yeah, there you go. Just
There
right
we
there
go.
is fine.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Now what a parent does is slide the protective cover over
Yeah.
and to plug something in.
Let me see. Is it difficult to slide it over?
Not at all.
Because then the kid. Oh no, it's difficult for a kid to slide it over,
Well,
right?
Right.
And
Right.
it's too big, obviously, for a kid to choke on if they were able. They're not going to try to swallow
This
something
is
like
screwed
that.
in.
Right.
This is screwed in. This replaces your existing outlet plate. And the good thing about this is you can use something. You could plug something into this, and if a child pulls out the plug, it's protected. It snaps back into place.
This looks expensive, though. How much
Not
is
very
it?
expensive.
How much could it be? How much?
These are about $3.
Yeah, but you know, you got to get somebody to install them. My husband doesn't know how to do that.
Does he know how to turn a
There's
screwdriver?
wires
That's why
there.
we're here.
There
That's
are
why we're
wires.
here.
You want to play around with wires?
It's not that hard, right? I
It's
know.
not that hard if you
But-
have some experience, but you could always call us and do it.
Okay, but can you do that? Seriously, if you're not an electrician, can
Sure.
you take off, you know, your plug outlet and change it yourself?
You're not changing the outlet. You're not changing the box.
Okay.
You're changing the plate. This is the plate cover. This is
Okay.
the outlet. If you want a product that is far more advanced, and you should have somebody who's a licensed electrician install these are tamper-resistant outlets. Now, a child can't plug anything into this. Try to plug something into that.
You know, when I was
I feel
younger-
like I'm going to get shocked, actually.
There's
Did
nothing
you
in
ever
there.
try to put anything in a plug when you were younger?
I was actually, strangely enough, I vandalized all sorts. It was like my pastime,
Yeah.
but I never did
Yeah,
that.
I
can't
put
get anything.
a bobby pin.
A bobby pin. Did you
Yeah.
get a jolt?
I got a jolt.
And that's another thing. Is it that dangerous?
That's the most common, believe it or not. Hair products, hairpins, are the
Yeah.
most common cause of children electrocuting.
What else
Oh
do you
my
have?
goodness.
Well, this is, like I said, a tamper-resistant outlet, which in 2008 became code for the electrical code in new homes. Now, you'll see when I plug this in, it goes right in.
Right.
But you couldn't get that pin in. You actually
Gotcha.
have to plug
It's
two
like a key.
prongs.
It's almost like a key.
There's a shutter system inside of this. Now, this is not a lot of money. It's about 50 cents more per outlet when
But
you're
you got to
constructing
pay the
a new home.
electrician.
He's installing this anyway. He's installing these anyway, so it's about 50 cents more per outlet on a new construction. If
Okay.
you want to have them replaced in your home, you are looking at a significant cost.
We like it. Got anything else, Tom?
Pretty simply, these boxes will also hold the plugs in, so we're going to see this screwed onto the... I actually have one of these in my home.
Where do you get them?
Any Babies R Us, Bye Bye Babies.
Yeah. Okay.
Call All-Star Baby Safety, we'll get it for you.
Okay.
There's a screw, you screw these into the cover, you put the plug in, and then you just put the door back over. And the good thing about this product is it also holds the plug in place.
Good idea.
So that the kids can't pull them out.
Tom Trainer, thank you so much for being here. He's the owner of Baby Proofer New York. Where are you located?
Long Island.
Long Island?
We're in New York City and Long Island.
Excellent,
Out to the
Tom.
Hamptons also.
Thank you very much. We'll put a link to your website on our website, okay?
Great.
myfoxny.com.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.